Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a versatile and efficient device, the SmartDevil Space Heater. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and safe personal heating solution for the upcoming winter, or just need a fan for the warmer days, this might be the perfect fit. Let's jump into the details. As we unbox the SmartDevil Space Heater, you'll find a sleek and compact device. The package includes the heater itself, a user manual, and a power cable. The build quality feels sturdy, and the design is minimalistic, blending well with any room decor. What sets this heater apart is its 2-in-1 functionality. Powered by PTC ceramic heating technology, it warms up in just 3 seconds. With 2 heat levels, 1500 watt and 800 watt, it's perfect for both chilly winters and those in between seasons. Plus, there's a cool air fan for the warmer months. The wide 70-degree oscillation function ensures that the warmth spreads evenly across the room. Whether it's your office or bedroom, the SmartDevil heater covers a broader area, providing a cozy atmosphere. Safety is a top priority. The SmartDevil heater is made of flame-retardant material, minimizing fire hazards. The tip-over protection system automatically shuts off the heater if it accidentally falls. Also, there's an automatic safety shoot-off in case of overheating. It's ETL safety certified, giving you peace of mind. This portable mini heater weighing only 2.4 pounds is easy to carry wherever you need it. The built-in handle adds to its portability, and a detachable back cover makes filter cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to noisy heaters. The SmartDevil heater operates at less than 45 decibels, ensuring a quiet environment. It's perfect for your bedroom, allowing you to enjoy a good night's sleep without disruptions. So, after spending some time with the SmartDevil Space Heater, I'm impressed. Its compact design, efficient heating, and emphasis on safety make it a reliable choice.